This is the 1969 Dodge Charger, one of the most aggressive, iconic, and unforgettable muscle cars to ever hit American roads. With its wide stance, bold lines, and raw power, the '69 Charger wasn't just a car, it was a muscle-bound statement of attitude. The design of the 1969 model refined everything people loved about the original. The front grille was cleaner and more menacing, now featuring a full-width hidden headlamp setup that gave it a sleek, almost predatory look. The long hood, short deck, and those unmistakable flying buttress C-pillars created a fastback silhouette that screamed speed even when standing still. But the real magic was under the hood. Dodge offered a variety of engines, starting with a 225 cubic inch slant 6, but no one came to the Charger for subtlety. The V8 options were where things got serious. There was the 318, the 383, and the famous 440 Magnum. But the top dog? The legendary 426 Hemi. A race-bred V8 producing 425 horsepower and enough torque to make the rear tires scream for mercy. Mated to either a 4-speed manual or a torque-flight automatic, it delivered brutal acceleration with a thunderous exhaust note that echoed American power. Inside, the Charger mixed muscle with a touch of refinement. Bucket seats, a center console, and a driver-focused dash made it feel sporty but still comfortable. It had basic gauges, a deep-dish steering wheel, and minimal distractions. This was a car built for driving, not lounging. The ride quality was stiff but solid. It wasn't designed for corners, but for straight-line dominance. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with massive torque and a relatively lightweight chassis for its size, made the Charger a street legend. It could burn rubber with ease and cruise the highway with style. Of course, the 1969 Charger didn't just make waves on the streets, it became a pop culture icon. From dominating NASCAR tracks with the Daytona variant to jumping over cop cars in the Dukes of Hazzard, the Charger cemented its place in history. It wasn't just fast, it was famous. Today, the 1969 Dodge Charger is one of the most sought-after American classics. Loved for its looks, feared for its power, and remembered for its legacy, it's not just a car. It's a legend.